Hello guys, welcome to Get Reviews channel. Today I will give you full demo review about PodCentric, which is a 3-in-1 artificial intelligence software that creates, hosts and publishes unlimited professional podcasts in less than 60 seconds. Without actually creating a podcast by using PodCentric software, you can easily get instant omnipresence and traffic from the most popular podcasting sites like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Pandora, Google Podcasts and many more. Podcast awareness and listening continue to rise in the United States, driven by an explosion in new podcast programming, the pandemic, and consumer adoption of smart speakers like Amazon Echo and Google Home devices. Each week, more Americans listen to podcasts than have Netflix accounts. In 2021, 28% or 80 million Americans are weekly podcast listeners. There are now 10 million more weekly podcast listeners than the 69 million Netflix account owners in the US. This could indicate the start of a shift from video to audio media. In 2021, 116 million people listen to a podcast monthly. What this means is that this is a huge untapped potential for marketers, since no technology so far allows an easy way into podcasting. PodCentric changes the game and allows anyone to start, host and manage a podcast from absolute scratch. Bottom line, there are millions of listeners waiting for podcasts in any niche. Imagine the potential of this. You need to understand, this is not some little tactic method someone found. This is a huge zone of active listeners waiting, craving for quality content on podcasts in literally any niche. If you listen to podcasts, you know what I mean, and if you don't, well then at least start leveraging them for traffic and presence. Because the listeners, your traffic, is of the highest targeting and quality traffic you can get. It's mainly because of the psychological process they go through. Listeners become buyers and loyal fans quicker than any other media right now, and it makes sense if you think about it. The psychological process they have to go through while listening is quite a commitment to you. If they consumed your content for more than a few minutes, they are so much more likely to buy than any other form of media right now. But, unfortunately, it is very complicated to start podcasting yourself. There is a lot of work going into creating, publishing and making your podcast successful. Every podcaster uses this process, and it is the same process we all imagine we need to do to start a podcast. Ranging from recording your own podcast, yes, that means your microphone and mouth to make sounds that will keep someone captivated for 45 minutes, easy ride, all the way to actually coming up with ideas, finding guests, getting published. That's a lot of work. So, that's why PodCentric is useful. That's right, PodCentric, not just to be able to host podcasts and get them listed. It developed to take care of all the steps from creation to getting featured on the biggest sites, to getting traffic. The obstacles solved in one dashboard, like human-like voiceovers, high engaging traffic, and publish with one click. PodCentric creates captivating, natural and easy to consume podcasts from any text, keyword, blog post in just one click. You will get traffic by being featured on Pandora, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Amazon Podcasts and more mainstream networks. Now I show you demo of this PodCentric software. I request you to please watch the video till the end, because I will give you bonuses details in the end of this video. Let's jump to dashboard.
Hi, and welcome to PodCentric. In this video, I'm going to show you how PodCentric works. In the left side menu is Dashboard, Podcasts, Episodes, Automation, Responses, Recordings, and Contacts. Next is Manage Teams, Integrations, Reseller Manager, and White Label. You will have access to these last ones if you have purchased the upgrades. Now let's start with podcasts. There are already some podcasts created. Let's create a new one though. Click the New Podcast button, choose the thumbnail for the podcast, the title, subtitle, the description, and make sure to fill in all required fields, and then click Save. Now the podcast was created successfully. Next, a new episode may be added to the podcast. First, fill in information about the episode, including episode artwork, type of episode, full, trailer, bonus, and episode description or show notes. A custom label can be assigned for planning purposes. Next is media content. For this demo, I'm selecting a file from already uploaded videos. Select a time to publish, immediately or later. Edit the episode and click Save. There is no limit to the number of episodes to add. Now it's time to distribute the podcast. Every podcast has its own unique URL, which can be shared in any text, site, message, or on social media. It can also be shared on the most popular listening apps with easy single-click submission to leading directories, including Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and Amazon, as well as popular listening apps like Pandora, Stitcher, and iHeartRadio. PodCentric also offers a simple, responsive podcast website, which is the public page for your podcast. Each of these options may be customized to make the podcast page unique. Communicate with listeners and customers by receiving and sending videos and voice messages online. The person may leave a message, and support can respond when available. Analytics informs you how your podcast is performing, including download total, unique listeners, listener demographics, web traffic stats, and more. Next in the left side menu is automations. PodCentric does for podcasts what blogs do for text. Blogs are diary-style websites, of course, that post content in reverse chronological order. Now, podcasts are similar, but listeners subscribe to the content usually via a podcasting platform, such as Apple Podcasts, which is iTunes, Spotify, or YouTube. Only a few minutes are needed to set everything up with PodCentric, which starts a chain of processes every time there's something new on your website. Now, this includes compilation of the content, logo, photos, and more into a prime product. The end result is beautiful podcast episodes that your new and existing users will love. Next on the menu is responses. Responses can be viewed for each podcast. If the contact form has been enabled and the respondent has left his details, you may respond to the listener. Next is recording. This is where you manage all your videos. You could record a video from your webcam, screen share, or upload videos, plus done-for-you videos, Jiffy, Pixel, YouTube, Dropbox, and Vimeo. PodCentric also gives you the ability to manage your own team. Next is integrations. Integrations allow you to instantly connect your favorite apps to automate your work and be super productive. Current integrations are with most of the main autoresponders or email service providers on the market, so PodCentric users can build an email list from their listeners. Our API-level integrations include GetResponse, ConvertKit, Benchmark, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, Aweber, Mooseend, and SendLane. The reseller program offers extra benefits to resell PodCentric solutions. Next is White Label. An overview tab keeps everything organized. Add your own brand name, plus change the theme color, logo, and favicon. Next is email settings. Follow the steps to set up White Label Email, which allows email notifications from your own company domain. And finally, domain settings adds your own domain and subdomain name. Thank you for watching this PodCentric demo.
Okay, that's it. I hope you will understand the PodCentric dashboard. I will provide the PodCentric link in the description below. If you decided to get it, then pick it up now, because its price can be increased at any time. You will get PodCentric with its 4 exclusive bonuses, but when you get it now, with PodCentric, thinking, learning, or risk is out of the equation. That's right. Our software takes care of everything for you. Worry about nothing. Just 3 steps and you can get traffic in any niche. PodCentric is a cloud-based software, which means there's nothing to install. You can just log into the software and start getting traffic. The premise is simple. If you want to get podcasting traffic, you can get everything set up on air and published in one click. Traffic can start coming hours later, sometimes less than 30 minutes. So it's essentially a done-for-you package. These are big players in the podcasting scene. Any podcaster that respects themselves wants to be featured on these sites. Podcast developer know the exact process, and so they embedded it into the code of the software. It uses all of the possible integrations and optimizations needed right inside the code, allowing you to get featured on these sites in just one click. The entire PodCentric process can be broken down into 3 simple steps. First step is create a professional, high-converting podcast from any text, blog post, article, page, or email in one click. Next, publish podcast to Pandora, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Podcasts, and more, instantly in one click. And the last, get instant presence, traffic, authority, and leverage without any additional setup or steps. Here's what PodCentric can do in details. It create podcasts from any page, text, PDF, email, article, blog post in one click. It share your published podcast on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram, WhatsApp, Pinterest, and Reddit. It breaks down podcasts automatically and create and host episodes. Import videos from YouTube, Dropbox, and Vimeo and turn them into podcasts. Create smooth automations to recommend and show listeners your other podcasts. Create automated responses to people engaging with the podcast in any form. It create folders for easy organization. It upload videos and turn them into podcasts. It instantly find and import high-quality pixels videos and turn them into podcasts in the dashboard. It store and revisit your podcasts in your beautiful admin area, 100% on the cloud. There is a good feedback from PodCentric users. Now take a look of all exclusive bonuses of PodCentric. First is a free reseller license of instant profit stores. In just 3 simple steps, launch your ecom affiliate store fully loaded with hot top-selling products. Use PodCentric brand new software. It only takes 2 minutes and a few of clicks of your mouse to create a stunning ecom affiliate store that's loaded with 50 top-selling products and ready to make you money with built-in traffic. Second bonus is a free white label license to Upreaker. PodCentric is first ever app finds, reaches, and closes social media influencer deals and sends you unlimited targeted traffic in just 3 clicks. Get thousands of fresh clicks from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, and blogs influencers for in few minutes with a white label right we're offering you on this page. Gives you the ability to completely strip all our branding from all areas of the platform, including domains, emails, knowledge base etc., and set up their own branded enterprise influencer marketing platform. Use our easy-to-use technology to host multiple client accounts with their own separate branding, billing, and storage. Third bonus is a free reseller license of Done-for-You lead funnel. First of its kind 3-in-1 lead funnel suite. New one-click software activates 50 streams of income for you in 60 seconds. Everything including the offers, the traffic and sales is done for you in a couple of clicks. Use our high-converting sales material to make sales, add a new user in 1 click, and concentrate on getting new clients, because we are here to take care of the support for all your clients. And earn over 6-figure every year selling this powerful lead generation and monetization app that almost everyone online craves for. Make easy profits in 3 easy steps using DFY Lead Funnel Reseller. Last bonus is a free reseller license of Leads Profiter. Revolutionary one-click Facebook lead generation and marketing automation system. Create a Facebook app and add-in system, no approvals required. Capture the real name and email address with just 1 click from right inside Facebook. All your leads are saved in the inbuilt autoresponder. Collect the leads and convert them automatically. This is where the magic happens. As soon as a lead gets added to the system, a preset email sequence is triggered and it sends out welcome emails, pre-sell emails, follow-up emails etc. to each one of them on complete autopilot. So these are the 4 exclusive bonuses you can get with PodCentric. I honestly said that PodCentric is the best software to getting millions of targeted traffic and growing your business. Must visit the site link provided in the description before price goes up. So that's it guys, now I stop the video here. If you want to convert your millions of visitors into sales, then just click on the video splashing on the screen below. Thanks for watching, stay happy, stay healthy.